Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And guys, today discuss here a very important this is a bolt design, and bolt design is a very important, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And okay, and all view is available here. Is this is a top view and front view and right view. All is a 2D geometry is available here. Okay, and okay, this is a top view and this is a front view and this is a right view, and this is a bolt design, and how to all process is designed easily and clearly to discuss here. And this is a thread value, and this is a thread detail is available here, and this length is 187 mm and pitch is 5 mm and size is a M48 mm and offset is 7 mm and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, this is a bolt design, and this is a looking beautiful, and this is a looking perfect, and all process is okay. This is a bolt is looking perfect, and okay, this thread is also looking perfect. Okay, this fillet is also correct. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part and click OK, and some important setting is okay. This is a full and some plain white. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, at first select a plane is a front plane. Okay, at first drawing this is a hexagon is a length is a this is a align dimension is 120 mm, and okay, this circle is drawing, and this height is to 30 mm and this circle is a 64 mm. Okay, and this fillet is 6 mm and this length is a 56 mm is hexagon length. Okay, drawing a hexagon. Okay, and this line is a vertical, and align a dimension is this 120 is perfect. Okay, and apply a extrude boss and select a mid plane. Okay, and this 56 mm is correct. This thickness is 56 mm and this thickness is 56 mm is correct. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. And click back side and click sketch normal and drawing a circle, and this align dimension is a 64 mm. Okay, and extrude boss, and this length is 230 mm is correct. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, and next is a, and this is a apply a material is a nickel, and polish nickel is perfect. Okay, and next is a, this is a chamfer to multiply 45-degree angle, and this is a fillet 6 mm. Okay, and apply a fillet is 6 mm, and this is a this. Okay, fillet is correct, and this chamfer is a 2 this length is 2 millimeter and this angle is 45-degree angle, and click OK. This is a perfect. Okay, and next is this is a cutout, and cutout is this length is 9 millimeter and this is a 9 millimeter. Okay, and select a plane is right plane, perfect, and OK, and a line is, this is a click, and this is a perfect, and OK. Okay, dimension is, this is a 9 millimeter and this is a 9 millimeter, perfect. And this cutout is a revolve cut. Then select a center line. Okay, this is a construction line is draw a center line. Okay, drawing a center line with this origin point. Okay, and use a revolve cut. Okay, automatic is select here because this construction line is automatic, select here. Okay, okay, click OK. This is a cutout is very nice looking here, and this cutout is also this side. Then apply a front plane and click mirror, and mirror is a this cutout is select here, and OK, this is a this preview is showing here and looking perfect. Okay, this both side is cutout is very nice looking here. Okay, okay, this bolt is all is drawing here, and one point is okay, and this thread is apply here, and this thread is active, and this length is 187 millimeter this length, and offset is 7 millimeter, and this is a size is, this pitch is 5 millimeter. Okay, and size is 48 millimeter. Okay, okay, apply a thread is this at select this edge. Okay, and this 45. Okay, this 45 multiply 5, 45 M45 is size and 5 is pitch. Okay, and this metric die is perfect. Okay, this is length is 87, 187 is perfect, and this offset is a 7 millimeter, and direction is outward. Okay, this is a perfect, and this direction is outward, and 187 millimeter is total length, and this metric die is perfect, and size is M48 multiply 5. Okay, and this cut is cut thread. Okay, and this thread option is right handed thread. Okay, this is a correct, and click OK. Some time is spent here because this is a active thread. Okay, and some little time is spent here because active thread process is active. Okay, this is a looking perfect. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. This thread is okay, this is a perfect, and some thread color is a change here, some. Okay, this is also perfect looking here. Okay, okay, isometric view is also this, and this is a perfect looking here. Okay, 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 guys, I hope you will learn all process and all method is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And guys, today discuss here a very important this body is designed here easily and clearly. And this body is a exhaust manifold design. And guys, this is a exhaust manifold design is this a very easily design here. And how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, all view is present here, and this is a this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view this is a 2D drafting is available here. And this body is this is a final product design here. And this body is designed help of this 2D drafting. And all dimension in millimeter, and all fillet 1 millimeter, and all chamfer is 2 millimeter. And this is a this body is designed, and this body is looking perfect and correct. And this is a final product. And how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. And all view is looking perfect. And this body is very helpful. This is a manifold, exhaust manifold. Okay, how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Let's start here. Okay. At first, some setting is very important. And setting is a first is a this is a plain white, and some going to document property and use a image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. And some use a 2D drafting. And how to this body is designed. At first this is a drawing here, and this is a this center point to center point distance is 136 millimeter, and this big circle is radius is 52 millimeter, and diameter is a 104 millimeter. And this circle is a drawing here. This is a small circle is 17, dia is 70 millimeter, and this big circle is a 16 millimeter radius, means this is a diameter is 32 millimeter, and this cutout is a 72 millimeter diameter. This is a correct. And this angle is very important, 38 degree angle. At first drawing a front plane and create a some center line, because this is a use a reference point only. And this is a some line is a drawing here. And this angle is a 38 degree angle. And this line and this point is a coincident. And this line and this point is also mid plane. This is a correct. And some angle is a 38 degree angle. This is a very important. And this is a center point is drawing a circle, and this center point is a drawing a big circle. And again select this both. Drawing this small circle is drawing here and correct. And both circle is press a control button, and both circle is select here and use a equal. and connect to each. Okay, this is a connect. All is a connect to a line, and all line is a tangent. This is a very important point is discussed here. Okay, and last is a connect to this point to this, and this is a tangent. Okay, and okay, this is a diameter is defined, and this center to center distance is 136, and this big circle is 104 millimeter dia, because this radius is 52 and this is a radius is 16, means diameter is a 32 millimeter. Okay, this is a defined this center point to this is a 136 millimeter. Okay, and this circle is a diameter is 32 millimeter, and this big circle is a diameter is a 104 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and all is a black color, means this is a fully defined. And you can see here, this is check here, this center point is a tangent, and also all point is a tangent, because this is a not tangent. The select here, this is a this two line, press a control button and both is selected and use a tangent. Okay, and also this is a use a tangent. Okay, all is a black color, means this is a fully defined. And some use a trim command and use a power trim, and some extra portion is a cut out, because this is a not usable, and some extra part is a delete here. Okay, this is a perfect. And okay, all is perfect, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is a this thickness is a 10 millimeter is perfect, and 10 millimeter is a correct, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. And again select this face, sketch normal, and again this is a cutout is a this cutout is 17 millimeter dia both side and this is a 72 millimeter. Okay, drawing a big circle, and big circle is this, and a small circle is a center point, this to this, because this is a cutout. And again select a both circle, and circle is a equal, and okay, may align a dimension is this is a 72 millimeter, and this is a 16 millimeter cutout. This is a diameter is 16 millimeter, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a use a through all, and okay, this is a looking very nice looking here. Okay, and next point is a this is a all point is discussed here, and okay, this use a pattern, and pattern is a this distance is 132 millimeter, and this is a 3, pattern is 3. And at first select this sketch normal and draw a reference line, means this center line is drawing here, because this line is only reference line. This use a horizontal. Okay, and this line and exit, and use a pattern. Pattern is a linear pattern, and this is a line is select here. Okay, and use a bodies, and select this, and this distance is a 132 millimeter. Okay, and this is a use a click this reverse direction, and then use a okay, this is a use a spacing and instances, and this distance is a this bit two body is distance between 132 millimeter, and this pattern is 3 pattern. Okay, all is perfect. And this line is a hide. Okay, all is a perfect. 3 line is correct. Okay. Next point is a this is a correct, and next point is a drawing this body, and this body is a the 176 millimeter is a this is a use a top plane, and use this body, and this body is this circle is this big circle is 120 millimeter, and this point to this distance is 50 millimeter, correct, and this point to this distance is 140 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is correct. And this a small circle is 12 millimeter. Okay, and some use a top plane, and use a plane is created here. Okay, and this plane is distance is a 176 millimeter, and direction is flip offset. Click OK. Okay, and this use a 176 millimeter. Okay, some line is drag here. Okay, and this plane is a sketch normal. Okay, this is a perfect. And a reference line is a drawing here, and reference line is a this use a center line, connect to this, and again a line is drawing here, and select a mid line and draw a vertical line is drawing here. Okay, and this line is a small. Okay, all is perfect. And this plane is a use a okay, and this plane is a use a this is a hide. Okay, this line is a hide because this is a looking perfect. Okay, and drawing a circle, big circle is drawing here, and this distance, this diameter is a 120 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a this point to this distance is a okay, this distance is a 140 millimeter, and correct. Okay, 140 millimeter, and this small circle is a diameter is 12, and this distance is a center point to this is a 50 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 140 millimeter is correct. Okay, and all is fully defined because this is a perfect. And use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a this is a blind, and use this thickness is 16 millimeter because use a this thickness is 16 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. And again select this sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is this, and this circle is cut out, and cut out circle is a okay, and this is not mentioned here, but this cutout is a 72 millimeter dia is perfect. This diameter is a 72 millimeter is perfect because all is looking perfect. And use a cutout, and cutout is a through all. Click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. And again select a sketch normal because this is a use a pattern, and a circle is drawing here. Okay, at first create a line. Line is a center line. Okay, this line is drawing here, this to this, and click a small circle. Circle is a this, and align a dimension. This diameter is a 12 millimeter, and this center point to this distance is a 50 millimeter. Okay, and this use a black color means this is a fully defined. and use this. Okay, this small circle is 12 millimeter and this distance is 50 millimeter is correct. And extrude cut and align through all and click OK. Okay, and again select use a pattern is circular pattern, and this use this and click this, and this use a feature is this, and okay, this is use a 360-degree angle and pattern is 8 and equal spacing, all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, all is perfect, but some point is very important discuss here. And next is drawing a pipe is connect to this body to this. This use a very important, and this distance is 106 millimeter, and this use a 56 millimeter, and this use a fillet is use a 98 millimeter, and this use a 68 millimeter, but this is not mentioned here, and some missing point, and use a fillet. Okay, and this is use a 3D sketch. Some point is discussed here, and 3D sketch, and drawing a 3D sketch, and this use a very important. Click align. Line is a drawing here, and at first select this circle is drawing here, and this line is a this to this. Okay, this is a perfect line and correct, and some is drag here. Okay, and again select a line and click this, and this point to this is a center, and use this to. Okay, this not okay, some use okay, this is a perfect. Some use a vertical line. Okay, and again select a line, connect to this to this. Okay, okay, this is a very important, and again align a dimension. This dimension is a 106 millimeter. Okay, and this diameter is 56 millimeter. Okay, but some point is a drag a below side, and some is drag a. Okay, connect to this point is connect. Okay, and some use a very important a fillet is a this is a use a 68 millimeter, and this use a this, and okay, and again select a 98 millimeter, and this use a this. Okay, okay, all point is correct, but this part is drawing here, and again select a sketch, and this is a drawing a profile, and use a convert entities, and this use a exit. This path is the profile here, and this profile is drawing here, and path is also drawing this, and use a extrude swept boss base, and automatic this profile is select here, and path is click this. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a very looking nice here, and this use this. Okay, and same here. Next is a drawing here. Use a 3D sketch, and again drawing this. Select this. Okay, line is select here, and this is a, and this is a correct, but this point is a vertical and not mentioned here, and this use a press a tab, then use a vertical line is okay. Press a tab, and next okay, this again select a, and this use a center point, center line, and okay, this is use a, okay, this is a vertical line, okay, some drag here, and again select a line is a, this connect to this, okay, and this align a dimension is the same here, 106 millimeter, and this use a 56 millimeter is correct, okay, but some point is both side is a drag here and connect to these two, okay, this use this, and again select this point to this, okay, and okay, connect to this, okay, this is a perfect, okay, and some use of fillet is a 96 millimeter, connect to this, and 68 millimeter fillet is this point to this, okay, this is a, okay, and this path is also drawing, and this exit, and again select this sketch, and drawing, again select this, and use a convert entities and exit, both is okay. This profile and path is drawing here, and again use a swift boss base, automatic profile is select here, and this use a path is this, okay, this is a perfect, and click okay, okay, and last point is also drawing here, this use a 1 by 1 because this use a 3 pipe is drawing here, and okay, again select a sketch, 3D sketch, and select a line is a this, okay, this center point to this, and this automatic this vertical, and okay, this is a perfect, again select a line is connect to this point to this is a vertical, and okay, okay, this is a perfect, and connect a line this point to this, okay, but this is a okay, and use a fillet is a this, okay, some use a line dimension, this diameter is a 106 millimeter, and this diameter is a 56 millimeter, okay, and some use this drag here, and use this circle is this, but this point is this, okay, this is point to this, okay, this point and this point is a use a merge, okay, but there's some missing, okay, again this delete here, and click a line is connect to this point to this, okay, this point to this is a okay, some point is a not Okay, this is a fault, and again select this and this point is a okay, this is a use, this is also delete here. Okay, and this point is also okay. And okay, some point is drag here, and okay, some point also, this is a delete here, and again select a line and use this center point. Okay, this center point is this line is okay, this is a perfect and use this center, connect to this point to this. Okay, okay, this is a correct and use this 56 millimeter and some use a connect to center line. Okay, okay, and some use a fillet. Fillet is a 68 millimeter is this and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, and okay, this path is created here, and this black color means this is fully defined. And some use a profile, this sketch normal, and this use a convert entities and exit, and use a swept boss base. This profile is automatic, select here, and this path is a click this. Okay, all is perfect okay, okay, this is a looking perfect and some material is apply here, and material is a use a metal, and this use a chromium. Chromium is this. Okay, and nickel is also, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a better, but some important point is discussed here, and use a cell. Cell is a 1 millimeter, and select this face, and this is a use a 3 and use a okay. This use a cutout is very looking nice here, and also all point is correct, but all fillet is 1 millimeter and chamfer is 1 millimeter, and select a 1 by 1 and click a fillet. Fillet is a this sketch 1 millimeter is, and also back side is a select this, click OK, and again select a fillet, use this to this, click OK. Okay, and again select a fillet. Fillet is a this to back side, select OK. 1 by 1 is select here because okay, and again select a fillet is click, and this is the side is click OK. And some use a okay, all is perfect and some use a chamfer. Chamfer is a 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle. This use a 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and okay, this is a perfect okay, all is a at first select a chamfer because this use a fillet. Okay, not usable here because at first select a chamfer is okay. All fillet is a user correct, not okay. All is perfect and okay. All is body is drawing here easily and clearly, and all is perfect okay. And this body is design looking perfect and all is perfect and correct, and isometric is also drawing here, and okay, this is a perfect okay. And guys, all point is drawing here, and this use a exhaust manifold is design here, and okay. And guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a very important this bodies design easily and clearly. And this product is a grease nipple 45-degree angle is inclined, and this is a inclined of 45-degree angle, and this project is a grease nipple design. And how to this body is design easily and clearly, and all dimension is mentioned here clearly, you can see here on the screen. And this is a thread value is also available here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design easily and clearly. Okay, this is the final product is design here, and how to this body is design easily and clearly, and all thread is mentioned here, and all is a perfect and correct, and this is a ball is also drawing here. Okay, and this body is a design here easily and clearly. Let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first some setting is very important, and setting is this is a plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and at first drawing this curve and this geometry, and this geometry is this is a perfect and this curve, okay, this curve is 6, radius is 6 millimeter, and this curve is a 2.2 millimeter, this length is 5 millimeter, and this length is distance is a 5 millimeter, and this whole distance is okay, this is a perfect and okay, this is a 8 millimeter, and this full length is 10 millimeter, and half is 5 millimeter is this. Okay, and this distance is a 6.5 millimeter. Okay, drawing some geometry and mention all dimension one by one. Okay, at first select a front plane, line is a drawing this to this, and drawing a curve is this, and again drawing a curve this, and select a straight line, and this is a line, and drawing a straight, and this is a perfect and connect to this. Okay, and this center point, and press a control button, and this origin point is a coincident. Okay, and align all dimension is a this is a 6 millimeter, okay, and this is a 2.2 millimeter, okay, and okay, and a relation is this is a tangent, and okay, and next is this length is a distance is 5 millimeter, and this distance to this distance is a 16 millimeter is perfect, okay. This is a distance is 16 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter, okay, and this distance is also 5 millimeter, and this distance is a this to this is 8 millimeter, okay, and this center point to this distance is a 6.5 millimeter. 6.5 millimeter is perfect, okay. All dimension is fully defined, and all dimension is correct, and all is fully defined, and click OK. And because this is a perfect, and this distance is a 16 millimeter, and this length is 5 millimeter is equal to this, and this distance is 5 millimeter, and full is 10 millimeter, and half is 5 millimeter, and this distance is 8 millimeter, and this is a distance is a 6.5 millimeter, okay. All is perfect, okay. And going to this revolve base and going to this and click OK, okay. All is perfect, and this is a fillet is used here, and 0.5 is a this to click OK, and use a chamfer is a 1 millimeter 45 degree angle, and this is a this, click OK. And next is a select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a circle is a 3 millimeter diameter, and 3 millimeter diameter, and this, okay, this is a cutting here, this distance is a 3 millimeter diameter, and height is a 26.2 millimeter, and use a extrude cut is a 26 millimeter 26.2, okay, and this is a okay, okay. All is perfect, and this is a use again select this face, sketch normal, and draw a hexagon is very important, and this is a use a vertical line, okay, and again select a circle is a big circle, okay, and this distance is a okay, this is a distance is a 14.2 millimeter, and this is a circle is 20 millimeter. This circle is a 20 millimeter, and this distance is a 14.2 millimeter is perfect. And going to extrude cut is a only 5 millimeter, so this is sufficient for this, and okay, this is a perfect, and all is correct, okay. And next is very important, and going to this 45 degree angle and drawing a this design, and this design is a 45 degree angle, and this is a perfect. And again select a front plane, sketch normal, or drawing a center line is a this to this, okay, and this is a perfect, and dimension is a this is a 45-degree angle. Okay, and exit. Okay, and again select a top plane, and this is a plane. Okay, and select a this. Okay, and use a this is a top plane, and use a angle is 45-degree angle, and going to this project. Okay, and along sketch normal and flip offset, and this is a flip offset. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and use this is a perfect. Okay, and use all is perfect and click OK. And next is a again select a this plane, and use this again select a plane, and this distance is a 3.6 millimeter, and okay, this is a 3.6 millimeter is extrude cut. Okay, again select a 3.6 millimeter and click OK, and this plane is hide. Okay, and select this sketch normal. Okay, this is a perfect, and select a normal. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and select a circle. Circle is this, and this circle is drawing a diameter is a 10. Okay, and this is a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a only direction is reverse, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a hide, and again select this is a hide. Okay, and again select a front plane sketch normal. Okay, and right plane is better. Right plane sketch normal. Okay, okay, and again select a center line. Center line is this to this. Okay, this is a perfect, and select a this line to this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect line. Select this is use a 45-degree angle. Okay, again select this is a okay, and select a 45-degree angle. Okay, and this line is a this, and again select this. Okay, this is a perfect line. Okay, all is mentioned here. This select a line connect this to this line and draw this. Okay, and select this line. Okay, this is a perfect. Drag a circle is this to this. Okay, and this line to press a control button, and this line is a collinear. Okay, and all dimension is mentioned here. Okay, and this dimension is a 11. Okay, and this dimension is a radius is 4. Okay, and this line and this line select a parallel. Okay, and again select a this is a okay, this is a 3, and select this line to this is a 4 mm. Okay, and again select this line is a 3 mm, and again select this line to this 3 mm. Okay, and this circle is a okay, and this circle is a 2 radius is 2 mm. Okay, and this center point and this distance is a 5 mm. Okay, and next is this is a 5 mm. Again this length is a 5 mm. Okay, and all is a fully defined, and this is a perfect. All is fully defined and correct, and this is a this length is a okay, this is a 4 mm is distance, and this is a 5 mm is distance is this, and this is a distance is 11 mm, and this curve radius is 2 radius is 2 mm, and okay, all is perfect, and this distance is 5 mm. Okay, 5 mm, this is 11 mm, radius is 2 mm, and this 5 mm and 4 mm is perfect. All is correct, and again select a revolve base, select this face, sketch normal. Okay, and again select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this to this, and again select a circle, and this is a vertical line, and again select a circle. Circle is a some big circle, and this is use a 9 mm is perfect, and this use a 11 mm is perfect. Okay, and 12 mm is better. Okay, 11 is perfect, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is some use a this and click OK. Okay, this is a better and perfect, and this face, sketch normal, and select a circle. Circle is this, and this is a this hole is 3 millimeter is dia, and use a cut is okay. This diameter is a 3 millimeter, and extrude cut is a up to surface. Okay, up to surface means this is a perfect. Okay, this is up to surface. Okay, this is up to surface, this is a perfect, and click OK. And some use a this is a cutout is, and use a this is a right plane, and okay, this is a cutout is nice looking here. And okay, and next is a use a this a ball is a okay, and use a right plane sketch normal, and some use a center line to this to this. Okay, a circle is a drawing here. This is a diameter is 3 millimeter, and this distance is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and this is a line is a this line is this, and some extra portion is cutted here. Okay, and guys, this is a very important. This is a very important, and use a 3 cutout 3 dia, and this circle is a radius is 3 millimeter, diameter is 3 millimeter, radius is 1.5 millimeter, and distance is a 12 millimeter. And revolve boss base, use this and click OK. Okay, and click OK. And this face sketch, and use a chromium and click OK. And again select this brush, click OK. And this plane is hide. Okay, this is perfect. And okay, and fillet is a chamfer is apply here a point 2 millimeter, and this to this chamfer, and click OK. This is a perfect. And next is use a thread, and all point is a correct. All point is discuss here one by one, and thread is apply, length is 10, and pitch is 1, size is M7, and apply a thread. Thread is a select this, and offset is 2 millimeter, and direction is reverse, and this distance is 10 millimeter, and metric die is perfect, and M size M7, and multiply pitch is 1, all is perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, all point is discussed here one by one, and all is a mention here is correct. And this is a use a 45 degree is angle, and this is a perfect body is drawing here. Okay, and all is perfect and correct. Guys, all point is discussed here one by one. Guys, I hope you will learn. All point is discussed here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box, write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.